Hello my beautiful Libra, welcome to my channel. I have come again with a 7 days card reading from 8th of November to 14th of November. Okay, in my channel all the readings, all the card readings are timeless. Whenever you will see this reading, your times will start in that time only. Okay, and if you see my video or videos in your YouTube page, that means that universe wanted to give you some message through me. Don't ignore that, try to see. Okay, and if you like my reading, subscribe my channel and share with your friends and families. Okay, then let's begin. What in this week actually universe is keeping for you. Okay, let's see. Then I will see the energy card first. Message from your loved ones. Let's see. Okay. Again, message from your higher self. This is the clarification. Okay, then message from let's see then what is coming on 8th of November. This energy can be vice versa. Okay, maybe someone is liking you. Okay, and I think that person is trying to give you some opportunity and that magical opportunity is coming towards you. It's very quickly. Okay, they're trying to give this message to you. And they are also trying to give this message that you are waiting for a long time, the worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your love life. Okay, if you are stuck somewhere, then call the Archangel Raphael for help. Okay, they're trying to give this message also. Maybe that honest somebody is there in your life who is very honest, okay, and loyal to you. That energy is showing that that energy is with you for a long time. Okay, and I think you will be settled down in your life. Okay, some settlement will come in your life. Maybe you will get some opportunity, maybe you will get some business opportunity, or you will get you will have the engagement. Okay, some good news will happen, come to your life. Okay, 9th of November, let's see. Maybe you have to take some decision. For that you will be feeling little bit upset in that day. Okay, you have to be little bit upset. Okay, maybe in your past somebody hurt you very badly, and you had that you had this energy, you have still have with that energy with you. Okay, so they are trying to give that the message that there will be some celebration also there. Maybe you will meet with someone that you can find that with that person your mentality or your chemistry is matching. Okay, you should focus on your diet. Okay, they are trying to give that another message: don't be lazy. Okay, about your food matters, that whatever you get you are eating, don't do that. Okay, and I think new opportunity is coming in your life. Okay, new opportunity is coming, because and they are trying to tell that they are very happy with your purity. Your heart is very pure. Okay, and for that reason the new door, your door to personal healing and happiness is opening for you. Okay, and they're trying to tell that if you want some answer, you can find it within you. Try to find it. Okay, you also deserve love and happiness. Okay, so they are also telling this message: consult with your nutritionist for food matters. Okay, food habits. Maybe there is a one person is there who is trying to control you too much. Okay, be careful about that person. Okay, and I think new opportunity is also coming in your life, that is also showing over here. Okay, 11th of November. Okay, They're trying to tell that you are waiting for something for a long time. Okay, and I think that whatever light you are waiting for, actually you're waiting for something for a long time, okay, and that is coming towards you. Okay, they're trying to tell that is coming towards you. Okay, and they're trying to give that message also that don't think negatively, think positively. Okay, in current situation maybe you are thinking little bit negative way, and try to focus on positive things. Okay, and there is some family issues are also there, you should focus on that and you should resolve that one also. You should have the proper sleep. Okay, they're trying to tell, they're trying to give you this message that proper sleep needed for you. Maybe there you are very actually innocent, and or maybe you will get some happiness through child. Okay, I think new opportunity is coming, new offer is also coming for you. Okay, it can be job opportunity can be also happen. November 12th now. Next is you should focus on your intuition. Okay, and you should go through the strategy. You should make some strategy where you will actually make the, you can bring your dream in real life. Okay, you should focus on strategy. Okay, and you should focus on your intuition. They are also telling that you should focus on your intuition. What is your intuition is telling, you have to do that. Okay, you should forgive and learn from your past. Whatever you have done, you should learn. Don't do the mistake again. Okay, and it's coming that message that as you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment also. They're trying to tell that the divine intervention is coming. The divine, if you are trying to find something that in your marriage you are having the heartbreaking. Okay, they're trying to tell that you should call to Archangel Raphael to heal you. Okay, to heal you. Okay, maybe you are suffering through your marriage. They're trying to give this message. This is 13th of November. Your solar plexus maybe is not working properly. You have to open that, and you have to, for that you have to do some meditation. For 10 minutes meditation can also work for you. Okay, and you should try to do that. Try to clean your chakra. Okay, solar plexus, try to clean. Okay, they are giving this message to you. Whatever you wish, that will manifest quickly, so you have to be very careful whatever you are asking for. Okay, And if you wanted to control someone, you should not do that. Let go the control issue they are trying to give the message. Drink lots of water, they are also giving this message to you. Don't think the negative way, negative things. Okay, maybe you are thinking too much and you will not get the conclusion about what you are thinking. Okay, don't think too much. Okay, you will get the opportunity and your good life. Okay, so don't be worried about that. Try to have the positive thinking. 14th of November. You have to focus on your heart chakra. Okay, and maybe the heart chakra is a little blocked. You have to open that. For some of the Libra, not everyone. Okay, so, and try to tell to the Archangel Raphael to heal you. Maybe because of someone you got hurt, okay, too much. Try to call Archangel Raphael to heal you. Okay, they will heal you. And if you wanted to cut the cord with your past, whatever you were going through, that you can do also. Okay, and pay attention with your red flags. Okay, maybe some cycle is now ending, new cycle will start. And your health is improving, they're trying to give you this message also. Don't try to find the that you scared or something. Okay, and you should be very logical. Whatever you are taking decision, you should be very logical. Okay, okay, then my beautiful Libra, I will stop over here only. I'll come again with a 7 days card reading. And before going, please subscribe my channel, give me like and thumbs up. You share my videos and my channel with your friends and families. Okay, and this message actually timeless. Whenever you will see, that will work in that time only. Okay, until then I'll come again. Until then, bye bye.